I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, clicking this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then all you have to do, just click here on what's happening here. You will find it, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. You come to show notifications. Clicking this sign, like you see this color show for us. That's mean here show notifications, or what's happening, show notification, show notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.